Hi guys, in this video I will let you know how you can download or save your photos, videos from WhatsApp status. Guys, WhatsApp status it works in a similar way like the Snapchat stories in which a shared photo or video gets deleted 24 hours automatically. At that time, people want to save a status posted by their friends or family and they start looking for a method that is just more than a screenshot. So having said that, WhatsApp does not offer any such features within the app and hence there comes the needed of a workaround that allows users to save the photos and videos from WhatsApp status. So there are two ways to do that. One by using dedicated third-party apps, and the second way, which is the most favorite way, which I will let you know step by step, and that can be used by any file manager applications. We understand that using a third party app is not the best solution as there can be a privacy concern with some users. So that's why I just let you know that the first method, which is by saving the status by using file manager app, that is the best one and that is the easiest one. So let's start by the first method though. In the first method, which is save WhatsApp status using the file manager app. So WhatsApp stores the status photos and videos on the smartphone storage temporarily and erase them after 24 hours. We all need to do this is find those files and transfer them to another folder on the phone. So most of all, the smartphones like Samsung, LG, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, they all include a file manager app with their operating system, and this is by default installed in all these smartphones. So, stock Android users can download any file manager from Google Play Store like ASUS File Manager or Files, etc. But right now, I have a Samsung phone, so I will just let you know how you can find your watched WhatsApp status photo or any video. So, first of all, what you need to do. First of all, we will go to WhatsApp and we will move to the status, and then we have to see some status, anyone status, like I am seeing the status of one of my friend. So this will make a temporary copy of the image or video on the local storage. That will make a temporary copy of the image and video on the local storage, which we have to move to another file storage for long term if we want to save that file for long term. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to enter into the file manager, which file manager is available on all smartphones, almost all smartphones. uh, so we have to enter into the my file manager. After entering the file manager, there are some options, so you need to enter into the setting section of your file manager. The setting section is not available here, so I need to click on the top right corner, three dots. I will click on it and I can see, like I can enter into the setting section. So I just click on the setting section, and here you will see there will be an option which is show hidden files. You just need to turn it on, show hidden files, because as I mentioned earlier, the WhatsApp status is automatically saved, but that is saved just for a temporary purpose and it is deleted after 24 hours. So I can found that files and I will save them to another folder. So whenever I just turn on the show hidden file, I just need to turn on show hidden files, and now I can see the status. So now I have to go into the file manager. I enter into the internal storage and I have to move and found my WhatsApp file. So this is the WhatsApp file. So whenever I enter into the WhatsApp file, then I have to go to media because the music, photos, and videos are all saved automatically in media section of WhatsApp folder. So I am entering media, and then you can see there is a file which is on the top of this page, that is statuses. And this is a just little blur because this is automatically hidden files, but I just turn on the hidden file, so that's why I can see this status folder here. So I just need to enter in this folder, and now you can see the all WhatsApp status, the photos and videos which I see on my WhatsApp, they are automatically saved. Like I can see the status, one of my friends status. You can see the same video which I watched on the status. You can see, and all all these files, they are automatically saved. But now what we have to do, we have to do these files to change the file location. Like, I want to save this file. Suppose I am interested to save this video. So I just need to move from temporary folder to a permanent folder. So when I click on it, and I can see there are some options like copy, delete, details, anything like that. I can copy as well, but the move option is more good. I will prefer the move. I will click on the move, so this file will move. But where I want to see, where I want to save, so I want to save it in the media, general, in the media folder, not in the status folder. The status folder is temporary, so I want to save it into the media library here. So I just need to click on move here. So you can see when I just move this file from status folder to media folder. Now this status folder, the all data will be removed after 24 hours, but the data media file which are automatically save in our WhatsApp and in our gallery. So this is stored for permanent uses, and I can find this file in my media gallery as well. And this is because this is in the permanent folder now, so you can see I can use this saved in my phone now. So these are so simple steps. If you I can repeat this just as a summary. You just need to watch some status of some of your friend, just status. You can see status, and then you need to then you need to enter into the file manager. In file manager, you have to enter into the setting. You can see setting according to your phone, but in my phone, I can't see the setting section here. So I just click on the top right corner, three dot, and enter. Then I enter into the setting section. After entering the setting section, I just need to turn on the show hidden files. These were the automatically off, so I just turn it on, show hidden files. And then I enter into the internal storage, because WhatsApp data is automatically saved in internal storage. Then I enter into WhatsApp, and then the media, and then status, and then you have to move your file from temporary folder to the permanent folder. So this was the first method which I told. This is my favorite one, and there is no need to install any third party app for this. So this is the best one. I will suggest you need to use this one. But for those users who have no issue to install that using third party application, so there are several apps available specifically designed to copy WhatsApp status files, such as Status Saver. You can There are a lot of other apps. So I just need to enter into my WhatsApp on my Google Play Store, and I will just save I will just search the status saver. So you can see the status saver, which is on the third one. First and second app is they are the paid ad. They are on the top because their advertiser paid to Google Play Store. That's why they are on top of. But the status saver is the original app, and you can see the reviews which are 4.4. So you can use this application as well. So you can download this app, and it will automatically fetch all the files, hit the save button to store to file on your devices. So guys, this was a video. This was a short video that by using these steps, by using two methods, you can download and save your photos and videos from your WhatsApp status. So hope so you would like this video. And if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, then please press the like button below the video. And if you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.